raisins milkshake smoothie or carrot raisins milk smoothie or carrot raisins milkshake, one of the tastiest of the recipes and one of the most delicious of the healthy smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the carrot recipes and one of the most different of the raisins recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the black raisins recipes. If you like the video, we're going to make carrot raisins milk smoothie. We've taken around 50 grams of sugar, around 50 grams of carrot, around 25 to 30 grams of raisins. Put in the carrots and the raisins. And the sugar. Close and grind well. Now pour in the milk. Close and grind well. Now open. Now the carrot raisins milk smoothie is ready and can be poured into the glasses. Smoothie into the glasses. This is the final carrot raisins milk smoothie or carrot raisins milkshake, one of the tastiest of the carrot recipes and one of the most unique of the raisins recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the carrot milkshake recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the healthy smoothie recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.